Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jarina Akter. I'm doing my master's in electrical and electronic engineering at AIUB. I have already gone through most of the videos of the course, which is how to become a researcher and MATLAB for research. I feel from both of the course I have learned something effective, which makes me feel interesting to join in MATLAB for research course. Again, though I am doing my master's, so I feel I have get something advantage, some advantage from this course, and I can learn something new, which is help to my ongoing thesis of the master's. So from these reasons I wanted to join. Now I feel happy to join here. Basically I can to join the rest of the courses. MATLAB for research course objectives, I think for me the objective of the course is to learn how to apply different types of tools of the MATLAB languages and building functions to different types of topics of the research. So it will be very effective or helpful for those who wanted to research MATLAB research in different field. So thank you so much for selecting me.